Hey Crystal, sometimes I'm tired of dancing tap classes, it's just that my feet will be sweaty and I can't take it anymore.
Well, don't worry, take off your tap shoes without any problem, this will give you an ideal massage.
Do you think it's a good idea, Crystal?
Yes, my sister.
Oh, okay. There, here it is. I hope you have a good massage for me.
Yeah, I hope massage your feet, Mina.
Nice massage, Crystal, thank you.